Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to YouTube Premium using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. To get started, go ahead and log into your YouTube account using your Gmail account that you prefer, and then on your email go ahead and click on the profile icon below here. Now this will display your account and you should see now here a settings gear, and under this scroll down until you see this option called purchases and membership. If you tap on this, here you'll see we have this YouTube Premium option. From here, to subscribe to this, go ahead and tap on learn more, and then if you subscribe to YouTube Premium, you'll get a 1 month free subscription before being billed. So to proceed, go ahead. As you can see, this is a student plan. So if you're a student, you can proceed and tap on try 1 month. However, if you're subscribing for family or individual, just go ahead and choose or buy a family or individual plan, and this will redirect you to this page where you can choose your preferred plan. As you can see, we have here quite a number of plans such as individual, family, and student plan, and each is billed differently. Choose your preferred plan. For my case, I want this individual plan. If you tap on this, now you'll be redirected to your payment option. Choose your payment option, for instance, credit card or debit card. Then go ahead and enter your billing details before you make your purchase. But remember, you'll still get 1 month free. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.